Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm doing the Crochet Society Advent Calendar, and I haven't actually got any further on the squares yet. I am falling a bit behind. I'm planning to do day 6 this evening, hopefully, but it doesn't really matter. It's about the journey, not how quickly we complete it. God, that sounded cheesy. I'm leaving it in anyway. So today we are up to day 8, so we're on to a new week, the second week of the CAL. So let's have a look at what's in here. So we have got a ball of confection DK, and it is, I believe it's another repeat. Yep, it is colour 25 wine gums. Now, this doesn't quite come out on the camera, but it's a really nice sort of dark rusty red colour, and it is contrasting really nicely with the pale pinks and the whites of the previous boxes and squares. I am hoping that we branch out into a few different colours, but also that it maintains a sort of pastel-y colour palette, because I'm really enjoying that. And then we have our little gift for today. There's a little pin badge. The pin badge says, "But first, crochet." That is really nice. It's a one clasp badge, hard enamel painted, really nice detail on there. The Crochet Society don't do pin badges every box, but when they do them, they're always a really nice design and a really nice style. So yeah, this will go with the other couple I've got on the front of my on my little hook case. So really like that. Yeah, so it's Thursday the 8th now. I'm hoping that if I don't get caught up over the next couple of days, that I get caught up over the weekend, because I would quite like to finish this by Christmas. If not by Christmas, certainly by the new year, because it's really nice to sit and do like a square a day, but it's also quite difficult to sit and do a square a day. So we'll see how it goes. So far I'm happy with what I've got, but I do need to get caught up. So join me again tomorrow and see what I actually achieved catching up on anything. Goodbye.